Have you already checked your vacuum system for effectiveness? I'm Martina Höller, Product Manager for End-of-Arm Tools at SMC Austria. In times of high energy costs and climate change, it is more important than ever to check every single parameter in your production for system efficiency. There are 4 ways how to improve this. Reduce the supply pressure to the ejector-specific operating pressure. This is on average 4 bar and thus far below the operating pressure in the production mainlines. To increase the holding force, choose a larger vacuum pad diameter instead of increasing the supply pressure. Doubling the suction cup diameter quadruples the holding force and your energy costs remain the same. Use Smart Vacuum Ejector System with remote control and monitoring via PLC. Down your energy and production costs with the energy saving function. Configuring an effective and reliable vacuum application requires expert knowledge and experience. Read the whole article to learn all about it.